I'm going to show you the best way to make a circle. So I'm using a 9x9 grid. As you can see, I have smaller boxes below, and I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4 diagonal and map off the tangential touching points, because I want to touch here, 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 on this diagonal, here and there. So let's get started. Make a nice big circle. I'm going to spiral in, and I am aiming for here, and I'm going to put aim, go over, let the tool touch the diagonal, touch, and out, go back up and around, and spiral back in, aim for there, and I'm out. So the whole thing is about making this smooth movement, so we can plot that slightly smaller scale. Back up and around, and this can work with any tool. It's great with a pencil, it's great with a broad edge nib, it's great with a pointed flexible metal nib. You just need to make sure you touch that top tangential point as you're traveling, then drop the writing implement down onto the diagonal, aim for the tangential point on the left, and then follow along the curve. The real trick here is, once you've done that curve, to follow back over rather than just going curve and let's start here. So follow right through, follow back over, put it back down, and remember to smile, and it'll really help brighten the arc on the top part, which is usually the biggest problem.